Learn smart, be wise. Learn with Sudeep Tech Learning. Press the red button to subscribe. Like the video, share the video with friends and family.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sudeep Tech Learning. Today in this video we are going to see the full tutorial for online form filling for the GSET 2020. The GSET 2020 form fill up is going to be online as told by the Technical Education Government of Goa. Now for the first time this is happening, so you all need a proper guide to know how to fill the form. Okay, so in this video we are going to see the exact full tutorial from start till the end, how you are going to fill the form. So stay tuned and watch the full video so that you can smoothly then fill your form. Okay, now before you directly going to fill your form, you should be knowing some of this thing. You should keep these things in your mind, that you should have your SSC certificate with you. Okay, along with SSC certificate, I am also telling you all that to keep the 12th standard, that is your HSSC, your exam that you all have answered just now, the 12th standard student, that seat number, you need the seat number there. So you keep that hall ticket also alongside with you. Okay, now this is instructions given by the website that is given to us by the Technical Education. Okay, these details are given there. You must have seen this. I'll just discuss this before we actually start. Second thing, you should keep a photograph scanned, and the dimensions are given here. You need to be keeping them in this size. The file size should be less than 200 KB. Then you need to keep the scan copy of a signature. Okay, all these things you need to keep ready before you actually start. Okay, second thing, you should be also keeping ready, so to that you can make payment. You should be having either net banking or credit card or debit card. Any bank will work. Okay, your fee is rupees 2000. This you need to know. Okay, now you have it is starting from 26, that is from today, and it is going to go on. So if you are not filling within that date, you have to fill the late fees, that is rupees 3500. Okay, otherwise the fee is 2000. Okay, then after online successful, you have to choose your center and print the admit. Okay, now let us directly start with the form filling. So yes, before again starting, I would like you all to use Google Chrome for best and smooth experience, because it helps actually in filling. For other browsers may suddenly in between shut down, so I will suggest you all to use Google Chrome browser. Okay, you'll use it on your laptop, you'll use it on your PC, on your mobile phone also it will work. Okay, now but if you are using it on the mobile phone, it is better to switch to desktop set. Okay, I will tell you how to move when we will start. Okay, so first thing, you have to know this URL, that is gset2020.com. Okay, this is what I was telling you. After you'll put this gset2020.com on your mobile phone, if you are doing, then you have to click on the three dots which are there here, and right top one, and you have to select desktop site here. Okay, you have to click this option, desktop site. Okay, then it will automatically become desktop site. Okay, once you do that, you have to click on the register. After you click on the register button, it will show you this. Okay, now after you show you this, you have to just fill your email address, put a new password for you. Okay, you have to put your new password and you have to remember that password. Okay, now this email should be workable. They already told you all in the starting only that email should be workable, because after you click for sign up here, and confirmation email is going to be coming on that email ID. So you have to give here your working email ID which is working, and at when you're filling this form, it should be present there at that time. Okay, now you have to after doing this, entering a password, just click on sign up. After clicking on sign up, it will come like this. It will say please verify your email, and a verification link has been sent to email. So what you have to do, you have to now go to your email ID, account, and check for an email which will be coming. Okay, what you will see is this thing. When you go to your email ID, email will be coming saying account verification. It will be coming from the directorate of the Technical Education. Okay, email will be simple. It will say welcome, and click on the link to verify. Okay, you have to click on this link and your account will be getting verified. Okay, after you click on this link, this is going to be coming. Okay, this is going to be your interface. Okay, it will say account verified and it will tell you to log in using your password. Okay, then you have to just click on this button, go on to login page, and you will be directly directed to the login page. This is how your login page looks like. Okay, now you have to fill this, email address which I was used and your new password which you have created. Okay, you have to do this captcha. I'm a not a robot. You have to click on this until this green tick comes. After this green tick comes, you can click on this login to your account. Okay, now you are ready to log into your account. Once you log into your account, this is going to be your interface. Okay, this is going to look something like this. Now here you can see all fields are mandatory. So whatever asterisks, wherever there are asterisks, those fields are mandatory to be filled. Almost all fields here are mandatory, so you have to know all those things. Okay, first thing, it asks for your name as appears in the SSC certificate. It clearly states that as appears in. Again, date of birth as appears in. Okay, your place of birth you have to add. Your gender you have to choose accordingly, the male, female, or you can choose the other one. Okay, then write your address, first line of the address. First line of the address, in a sense, you can write this address in anyhow, it doesn't matter, but you make sure that you write your correct address there. Okay, then you write your mobile number here. Okay, see, this I have given you all the example where this is your 10th standard SSC certificate. You can see your name is going to be here. Okay, so you have to write this name, exactly the same name. If it is in capital, write it in capital. Okay, so I have filled, this is an example of what I have done. I have filled it this thing, and then you can proceed on to the next step. You don't have to proceed, you just scroll down. Okay, you have to just scroll down. After you scroll down, this will come academic details. Now academic details, you have to write exam. This will be by default, you cannot change this. It is directly coming there. It's 12 science. Then board, you have to select which board you have, mostly Goa board. Some outsiders are coming, then you can select accordingly as your board. Okay, exam, the month and the year of exam. If you are recently answered your exam, it is going to be March 2020. Now during because of lockdown, one paper was gone afterward. Don't think of that, you just write March 2020. Okay, and finally you have to add your seat number of your 12 science. Okay, see, now I have filled this. After filling, I have filled Goa board and I have told much. Okay, and I have hidden my seat number. I have just hidden it because of privacy. Okay, after that, next thing you have to see is you have to choose your subjects that you are going to answer. Now your fees actually doesn't matter. Even if you answer all 3 subjects, the fees is rupees 2000, or you can answer any 2 subjects, either this or this. But your physics is going to be physics is mandatory, it is compulsory. Physics you have to choose. Okay, apart from that, you have to choose one more subject, it is chemistry or maths, or you can choose both to answer. Okay, I would suggest you have to choose both to answer, because it actually doesn't matter, because your rankings comes based on your singleton papers. Okay, so I have filled just 2, maths and physics, because next thing that comes is uploading photos and uploading your signature. Okay, nothing, you have to just click on this, choose a file, and it will take you to your, okay, if you are doing it on mobile phone, it will take you to your gallery or maybe your file explorer, and you can choose wherever. Okay, now wherever you have to choose, you have to just click that pic and tap open. Okay, after you tap open, it will come there. Also you have to do same thing with the signature part. Okay, after you put both the things, your pic will be shown here like this, and your signature. Okay, I have just blurred this signature just for privacy issues. Okay, after this is done, you have to scroll down. Okay, when you scroll down, the next thing that is coming is declaration. Okay, you have to click on this. Okay, make sure that you click on this so that this tick comes here. Now in this declaration, you declare that whatever information that you are giving on this website, giving to the technical education, giving to the GSET form, that it is true, and you are taking all the responsibility for that. Okay, now it again give now you have to do the next thing is go to the proceed payment. Now even if you are not willing to do payment right now, you have to click on this button so that all that you have done here gets saved. Okay, otherwise it won't get saved. Okay, so click on this button. It will, after you click on it, will take some time and then take you to the payment section. Now here if you see payment section, this is going to be interface. Now this takes a little bit a longer time. That's why I've put this slide that this is not coming for a little while. It takes a little longer time for your name email to come, so don't get panic if it doesn't come as soon as this page gets open. Okay, it will take a little bit of time. Next thing, okay, after a little bit of time your details will be coming here, okay, along with the amount. Okay, then you have to click on pay now. After you click on pay now, it will take you to the HDFC Bank's Smart Hub page. This doesn't mean that you have to only have account in HDFC Bank. You can pay from any bank, any debit card. Okay, this is coming just because GSAT is using HDFC Bank as their platform to as their portal. Okay, HDFC Bank is their portal. Okay, therefore this page is coming here. Okay, there is nothing to worry about that you have to have HDFC Bank account only. You can pay from any debit card. Okay, there are many options. See, debit card, HDFC debit card, credit card option, and other bank. Okay, in other bank you can select any other bank. Okay, see, you can also have net banking, either HDFC net banking or other bank net banking. In other bank net banking, you can see almost all banks are included in this. Okay? After you do this, all you have to do is click on the pay now button. Okay, after you click on the pay now button, it will take you to the payment section. Okay, you have to do the payment, enter all your details and you do the payment, and then the necessary things will be done from your what your bank thinks, what your bank protocol is, as okay, according to that the payment will be done. Okay, after the payment is done, you have to select. Now I have not done more than this because I am not going to answer this exam. I have done this video specially. I have done all these steps specially for you all, so that you all get to know how you all can do these steps. Okay, after this you have to select your center. Now choose your center in such a way, because mostly exams may be happening during lockdown conditions, so think wisely and choose your center which is best for you. Okay, after choosing your center, it will take you to print section. Okay, you have to then print your admit card. After you print your admit card, you have to save it with you. Okay, you can either print it or you can save it in a PDF form. Okay, now we will end this video. Okay, if you have any problem doing this transaction, not showing the further part, you have to do it. If you have any problem, you can always put them in the comment box. I will take into consideration. I will solve your queries for sure. Okay, regarding this video, if you like this video, please put a like and share it with all your friends so that they can be also getting help from this video. And I'm also going to do more videos on technical education. I'm going to discuss the entire prospectus of the technical education prospectus, which is going to be GSAT prospectus, and also the NEET prospectus. So stay tuned for that. You all please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.